Waterfront living in the lower Keys for under $1 million? This is the place. Hi again, it's Angie Will, a Florida Keys realtor and longtime local. Today we're at 538 Powell Ave in Little Torch Key. So Powell Ave is situated on the Gulf side of Little Torch Key, just a nice walk over to Kiki Sandbar, which is a local venue here where everybody likes to go and listen to live music and have some tropical, local seafare. Also, as far as waters go, you don't have any bridge restrictions out to open water in this neighborhood. So this canal is about 37 feet wide. And while there's no seawall or boat lift in place now, there are plans that are being reviewed by the Army Corps of Engineers and DEP. Once they are processed through those departments, they'll go off to the county for clearance, and then you will be able to hire at your leisure to have the seawall and boat lift installed. So most of the heavy lifting has been done. You really won't have much to do in the way of dealing with the headache of a process it can sometimes be. But once you get that seawall in place and your boat lift or no boat lift, boating is wonderful here. So you can seamlessly move between Pine Channel and fish to your heart's desire. Should show you downstairs. We have a 12 by 12 storage unit. It's about 299 square feet. Right now, it's just being used for storage, but there is an impact window inside, and it is spray foamed, so nicely insulated. And at some point, if you'd like, you can enclose this entire footprint. You just have to go through the proper channels and get your permits in place. So if you would like to enclose it, you can certainly have more space below for recreation. As long as it's not used as a living space, then you're A-okay. Now the staircase here has a rear and front entrance, so you can choose to go either way you'd like. This lot is 62 by 100 to be exact. So there's plenty of space to pull up an RV or trailer, extra boat, flats boat, and possibly even add a pool. You'll have to do your diligence there, but I can't see why you couldn't have a small splash pool or splash pad if that's what works for you. So follow me upstairs. The exterior of 538 Powell is actually all hardy board siding, or hardy backer as some would call it. So it is a fibrous cement board, and it's very, very, very durable. Everything has been done here, including seamless gutters. You even have the hardy plank or hardy board soffits up here, and everything was nicely, nicely done with this beautiful blue to bring it all together. So here we are in this airy, comfortable space. It's very much a Keys cottage, but it feels so welcoming. We have pretty high pitched ceilings here for what it is. We have luxury vinyl plank flooring. All of these windows and doors are impact rated, so you'll get your full insurance credits. Everything about this home has been redone. So come out here to the porch, and you'll get a nice view of the salt ponds beyond the neighboring house across the canal. So you'll be able to get glimpses of sunsets out there. So we have this wall-to-wall chef's kitchen with quartzite countertop, beautiful soft close cabinets, and this iridescent backsplash. Superior finishes, as you can see. It would be so lovely to cook in here. And I mean, personally, I like a lighter color kitchen so I can see the dirt and I can see where I need to clean. So this is actually perfect for me. I mean, you know, so. And you've got a bar top here. And this house conveys with everything you see. So the stools, the washer dryer, everything. We have a brand new washer dryer, tankless hot water heater, custom finishes in the bathroom. We have shiplap on the ceiling and on many of the walls throughout. There's even a little shower nook and window, which brings in a lot of natural light everybody loves. Walking toward the back, we have the guest bedroom or the second bedroom here. It's a generous size with ample closet space. And now we are in what we would call the primary bedroom. Has a reading nook, or sitting nook if you will, and his and her closets, more shiplap in the ceiling, and the ensuite bath. This house has everything you need to lead and live a simple, easy breezy Keys lifestyle. Thanks so much for joining me on this property tour at 538 Powell Ave here in Little Torch Key. If you'd love to see this property or any other here in the Florida Keys, I would be happy to help you out. I'm Angie Will with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Knight and Gardner Realty, and I can be reached at 305-489-1984. And I'll see you on the next one.